successful retail businesses in the world. In 1950, Sam Walton opened Walton's 5 and 10 in Bentonville, Arkansas. He decided that he could increase sales if he cut his profit margin and passed the savings on to his customers. This successful tactic quickly led to him opening up a second store, and by 1967, 24 stores bearing the name of Walmart were opened across the state of Arkansas, and the company had reached $12.6 million in sales. Less than 10 years later, there were 125 stores with annual sales of $340 million. In 1995, the company opened its first international location in Mexico City, Mexico, which was followed by hundreds and then thousands of locations being opened in countries around the world.
Introduction. Walmart Stores Inc. is an American well-known discount store in the retail industry that operates worldwide. Almost everything can be found in Walmart store, and it has everything a homemaker can ever think of. It is arguably the largest retail chain that deals with millions of products ranging from furniture, clothes, groceries, books, movies, electronics, jewelry, baby products, and much more. Walmart purchases all the goods right from the supplier without third-party involvement. The suppliers either send directly to Walmart centralized distribution centers or to individual stores if they are nearby with the outlet. Walmart has distribution centers in the different parts of United States. Each center serves approximately 150 stores and supplies 80% of the inventory to the individual stores.
Next is Walmart supplier. As we know, supplier is a person, company or organization that sell or supply something such as goods or equipment to a customer. We all know Walmart is a big well-known hypermarket, so supplier who working with Walmart has very profitable relationship. Walmart has an extensive supply chain consisting of 2,800 suppliers worldwide. For January 2020, it comprised 11,507 stores in 27 countries and 2.2 million employees worldwide. Along with the increase in Walmart operation in various countries, it's making more suppliers. Walmart also provides an official website for suppliers to register their company name to working with Walmart. In 1992, Walmart has made investment in support system and developed its own private satellite communication system that send daily point of sale data directly to 4,000 suppliers for cross-docking operation. For example, suppliers who working with Walmart is Plug Power Inc., Funai Electric Co., CCA Industry Inc., and Green Dot Corporation. Research from article by Reuters in 2021 states 4 of the top 5 suppliers receive a significant portion of their revenue from Walmart are based in United States, while 1 is based in Japan. The majority of suppliers are based in United States. Other than that, Walmart store on the other hand have suppliers from United Kingdom, Canada, Chinese, Mexico, Taiwan, Hong Kong, France, and other countries.
Next is Distribution Center. Walmart Distribution Center are hub of activity for Walmart business. It is the one of the largest in the world that servicing store, club and direct delivery to the customer. The distribution center network ships general merchandise, dry grocery, perishable grocery and other specialty category. There are 6 disaster distribution center which is strategically located across the country and stock to provide rapid response. Each distribution center is designed to access, cross-dock, house or distribute the various items in the Walmart, themselves or online fulfillment. One of the useful part of the updated list when it comes to physical delivery merchandise, they will be shipped directly from the supplier to its location or DSD, which is stand for direct store delivery. In fact, it was estimated in 2016 that over 18% of all merchandise sold through Walmart store that was sorted through its distribution center. Other than that, the Walmart distribution center are not only specialized in the location that they will be support, but also specialized in the category that they will be carried. The Walmart distribution center are broken out into different categories according to their function and support area. The various types are labeled as General Merchandise Distribution Center, E-commerce Fulfillment Center, Center Point Distribution Center, Tank Card Distribution Center, Specialty Distribution Center, which is the distribution center, support area like pharmacy, optical lab, tires, data processing, print and mail, and also import, fashion distribution center, full line grocery and perishable food distribution center, and the last one is import and release distribution center.
Walmart Logistics. For your information, for the last 20 years, Walmart has been the largest retailer, and Walmart also most powerful company in the world, with their highest sale per square foot, controlling turnover, and operating profit with any discount, retailer as well as top story statistics. Walmart is also success in influence in the retailer space, in its transition from the regional retailer to the global power center. The Walmart organization has become synonymous with the concept of successful supply chain management. Okay, now we see about party that involves in logistics of Walmart. First is customer. Customer is a ready-made product, a store for customer who start this network when they decide to buy product that's sold by Walmart company. If the product is to be made, then the sale order will include the condition that must be met by production facility and logistic parties. Second one is planning. Walmart planning department will create production plan to produce their product to meet customer order. To produce the product, the company needs to buy the necessary raw material, and the material needs to go through the logistic first because it involves the process of storing the goods. Next is purchasing. The purchasing department will receive the list of raw material and service required by production department to complete the customer order before handing over to the logistic department for the storage process to take place. Besides that is inventory. Walmart company will receive raw material from supply, then will be inspected for quality and accuracy before being transferred to the warehouse. Next, production. Based on the Walmart company production department plan, raw material will be transferred to the production area. This raw material will be used in the manufacturing process of finished product that ordered by the customer and then shipped to the warehouse where the logistics department will carry out the process of shipping Walmart product to the buyer or retailer. The last one is transportation. Once the product has arrived delivered to the warehouse, the logistics division will determine the most effective method to ship the product until the product is delivered on time.
So we move on to Walmart's inventory management. Walmart set up its own satellite communication system in 1983. Walmart was able to reduce unproductive inventory by allowing stores to manage their own stocks, reducing pack sizes across many product categories, and timely price markdowns. Walmart's use of barcode and RFID technologies for easy packing and counting of the inventories, efficient picking and receiving, and proper inventory control of the products. Employees at the store had the Magic Wand, a handheld computer which was linked to install terminals through a radio frequency network. This helped them to keep track of the inventory stores, deliveries, and backup merchandise in stock at the distribution centers. Walmart's use of sophisticated algorithm and technology infrastructure to forecast the quantities of each item to be delivered. Instead of cutting inventory across the board, Walmart made full use of its IT capabilities to make more inventories available in the case of items that customers wanted most, while reducing the overall inventory levels. The order management and store replenishment of goods were entirely executed with the help of computers through the point-of-sale system. Through this system, it was possible to monitor and track the sales and merchandise stock levels on the store shelves.
Next is recommended adjustment. First of all is lower the cost. We should monitor customer demand by looking at client demand patterns on a regular basis to see if anything needs to be tweaked, such as feedback and surveys. Secondly is measure performance. We have to select critical performance indicator and assess how they are performing in relation to their objective. Next is to increase efficiency. Number 1, we should increase the supply chain visibility by giving suppliers, colleagues, and even customers the power of visibility to take pressure off. For example, allowing suppliers to check your inventory in real time so they can better understand their current situation. Number 2 is implement a good project plan. A good project plan can help them make strategic supply chain investment, develop a distribution strategy, and identify risks and opportunity. Next, we should lower the waste by select the right equipment. The right waste equipment can help them save time, money, and a lot of aggravation. We should also improving our production quality by optimizing their manufacturing process to reduce overall waste by reducing waste from raw materials. Last but not least, the recommended adjustment for the Walmart's supply chain is to implement lean or agile option. This is by increasing responsiveness, competency, flexibility, and quickness to manage how well a supply chain entity operates on daily basis. For example, uses real-time data and updated information.